Professional development can be one issue with any technology initiative, and this one is no other. Today, I'd like to explain just a little bit about how I plan on doing professional development for incorporating Minecraft EDU into my classroom. So as you can see, we're on the Minecraft EDU website, education.minecraft.net. And at the top, there's some resources here. We have the resources button. We also have the ISTE tab here as well. And these are two great places to start with. The more traditional professional development can be found at the ISTE. They're actually having their conference the end of this month, the end of June 2016, and they're going to have a education teacher academy for Minecraft. Unfortunately, it's on a wait list, and it's going to be all the way out in Denver, Colorado. So that might not be a great fit for this year since we're just starting to implement this resource to my classroom. So instead of going to a conference or something of that nature, we can just use online resources for now. And these online resources have everything you would need to get started. They have tutorials that are on YouTube, which give you just basic setup information. It tells you how to get things started for your class and has some great ideas for teachers. It also has biomes, which are the environments that you start your classroom in. You can choose your own. There's quite a few available to start with now. I'll just click here quickly. We can start with a forest, a desert, another kind of forest, a jungle, ice, mushroom island, a savanna, a birch forest, or a canyon. And again, these are all completely customizable so the students can make their buildings fit in whatever environment you select. The worlds are the same kind of thing. You can start a world or create your own for your classroom. So if you don't like any of those pre-done biomes, you could make your own. And again, in the tutorials, it'll help lay that out exactly what you would need to do to get started with that. And then another neat thing, two more things here I want to talk about, but Minecraft Mentors is one really neat feature that Minecraft has incorporated. And this is where they have professionals from around the world that are willing to help teachers get started. So these are other teachers from around the world. This person's from California, Australia, another one from Australia, from Texas, that are willing to give you a little bit of their time to help connect with you to help make your Minecraft in your classroom as best as it possibly can be, which I just thought is a really neat feature that they've incorporated that you don't see a whole lot in other kind of game situations like this. And finally, the last thing I want to talk about is lesson plans that are already preloaded, and more of these are expected to come out as more teachers start using this. Again, this just became available about 10 days ago to teachers around the world for free to try out this summer, with the rollout for classrooms coming early next year in the school year. But in high school, there's four lesson plans that are already available for us. So since I'm teaching architecture, I'm going to be focusing on city planning. And just looking at this, it has a bunch of information here to help me get started. So I don't have to think about all this on my own. Classroom management, it has some ideas for that. Questions to think about before you're implementing your project, all great ideas. They have a wrap up and then evidence of learning. So this is all great information that I can bring right back into my room. I can modify this however I need to, or I can leave it just the way it is. And I really feel that this is going to be a huge benefit to my students, and this professional development online that Minecraft has already started, and I can imagine they'll continue with and expand upon, is going to be very beneficial as well.